Good morning guys, we're traveling Prague for 3 weeks now and it's time to get out of the city. So today we rented the car from the airport and today we're going to the Skoda museum. Let's go. About 1 hour drive from Prague, we arrived to the Skoda museum. The ticket price cost 100 crowns for a person. Let's go inside. The car behind me is the first Skoda ever built in 1906. It was a bestseller immediately. Just notice the huge difference between the Superb and the Octavia. The Octavia is from 1960s and this one is from 1940s. It's a V8 and that's one probably inline 4. Huge difference in size.
If you ever saw the logo of Skoda, I bet you wonder what it means. The winged arrow represents speed, the wings represent progress, and the circle symbolizes Skoda's more than 100 years of tradition.
We've been at the Skoda museum for about 2 hours, then we had lunch and we're looking for something to do not far from the museum and we found this Aeronautical museum. We got about an hour before it closes and the cost ticket is 150 crowns for a person. Let's see what we can find here. This museum might be a little bit small, but it's pretty impressive. Like this one is built in 1912. It was the first aircraft built in the Czech Republic.
The Caudron G3 that you see now is 111 years old and at its time it broke the world record for duration of flight of 16 hours and 28 minutes. An amazing number for more than a decade ago.